Top 5 ways to get traffic to your opt-in landing page. Have you built a landing page to try and get more visitors to sign up for your mailing list? This is a highly effective strategy and one that can help you grow your list very quickly, while also ensuring that all your new members are genuinely interested in whatever it is you have to offer. A great landing page and the right opt-in form can work wonders together in order to gain you a 99% conversion rate or higher. But that leaves just one question. How do you get your visitors to that page in the first place? In this discussion, we'll take a look at the answer to that question. One of the best ways to get people to your landing page is through PPC. PPC is pay-per-click advertising, a form of paid advertising that will allow you to pay directly for each person who clicks your link and visits your page. This is ideal, as once you know your lifetime customer value, LCV, and your conversion rate, you can determine how much you should be paying for each new visitor in order to guarantee a profit. Blog. One of the best ways to get people to your landing page is through your own blog. This way, you can build an audience, demonstrate the value you can provide, and then get your visitors to sign up. YouTube. A sorely underutilized marketing platform, YouTube can be a very effective tool for convincing people to follow a link, buy a product, or sign up to a mailing list. This gives you the chance to use your whole body along with emotive music to persuade your visitors. Social media. Social media is likewise a very useful tool for gaining new subscribers and for directing traffic. Again, though, the key is to develop that trust and connection first, and only then utilize the platform to try and get people to sign up. Google. Yes, Google, and a bit of SEO can be used to promote your sales page. You do this either indirectly, by promoting your blog and then using your blog to send people to your landing page, or directly, by targeting searches such as free fitness ebook or gardening newsletter. People are looking for free information, and if you're giving that away, then you should be able to target their searches. Top landing page tools. A landing page is a page that you can direct your visitors to that has just one job: to get them to convert. In the case of a squeeze page, this means getting them to sign up to a mailing list. If it's a sales page, then of course you want them to buy something. Either way, there are certain techniques and strategies that can help you to be more effective in this endeavor, and a number of tools that can give you a boost as well. And in this post, we'll discuss the best landing page tools for driving conversions and gaining more leads, sales, and subscribers. Optimize Press. Optimize Press is a plugin for WordPress that allows you to build landing pages quickly and easily. WordPress, of course, is the highly effective website building tool and blogging platform that can allow business owners to create professional-looking websites in a fraction of the time. Optimize Press simply takes those same benefits and applies them to building landing pages specifically. This way, you know that the landing pages will work, and you know that they will be perfectly optimized and tested. Optimizely. Another tool with Optimize in the name is Optimizely. This is a very different concept, though, that this time revolves around the idea of split testing. Split testing means that you are creating two slightly different versions of the same landing page, and then seeing which one performs best. If a new change helps the page to drive more conversions, then you adopt that change permanently. If it does not, then you ignore the change and try something else. Optimizely makes this process very simple, and if you use it correctly, it will allow you to evolve your site into a near-perfect conversion tool. Google Analytics. Google Analytics allows you to do all sorts of impressive things in order to better track the performance of your website and any advertising campaigns. Among these features is goal tracking, which essentially allows you to see which users are actually converting and clicking buy or signing up. This is important because it means that you can invest more time and money into the marketing strategies that are actually working and less in those that are not. Infusionsoft. Finally, Infusionsoft is a tool that combines an autoresponder and a sales page into a single synergistic package. This creates a lot more tracking and targeting possibilities and can enhance your effectiveness considerably. Which autoresponder service should you use? A comparison of popular services. If you are going to run an email marketing campaign, you need an autoresponder. This is the first thing you should look into when you first get started, and it is what you will be working with on a daily basis in order to manage your campaign and ensure that your messages reach their destination. In this presentation, we'll look at how you should go about finding the right platform for your campaign. Perhaps the best place to start is by quickly taking a look at what an autoresponder is and what one does. Essentially, this is a tool that you can use to A. build sign-up forms, and B. manage your emails. When you log into your autoresponder, you'll be able to see a list of all your subscribers, and you'll have the option to send a message to all of them or to a cross-section of those contacts. Autoresponders make things easy for you because they handle the sign-up process and unsubscribing, so you don't have to. They also provide useful metrics such as open rates, bounce rates, complaints, etc. There are 4 big names that most people will consider when getting their first autoresponder. These are Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and Infusionsoft. All of these platforms do essentially the same thing, but it is worth noting that Infusionsoft is a little different from the rest, as it includes a sales platform for building and managing your sales pages and transactions. This allows for some synergy between those two platforms, which is ideal for webmasters and businesses selling ebooks and other digital products. For more conventional email marketing, however, those options may not be needed. Otherwise, Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp offer largely the same features and benefits. The big consideration here, then, is the price. But this isn't as simple as looking at which one has the cheapest fee. All 3 of these platforms offer more complex pricing structures based on the number of subscribers you have. The size of your business will be one of the key factors determining which option is best for you, then. Finally, it is worth investigating which plugins you might want to use on your site. Different plugins will support different autoresponders, and so it could be useful to check that features you're relying on will be compatible with the autoresponders you're looking into.